Hi folks, Karen here with chaosmuscleman.com, and this is going to be the first video, which is going to be a general overview of the back office of SFI. So when you first sign up, you're going to get your information, your password, SFI ID to log in. You can log in with either your SFI ID or your email. I use my email. Password will show up here and then you log in. Ignore those. When you very first log in, you're going to there's going to be a block here that says you have to register your device. What that means is you have to register the computer and the browser that you're using. It gives you one option. It says what they'll do is SFI will email you an authorization code. And then the little box will say, click here to enter your authorization code. Now, it gives you the option of are you using a public or a private. If you choose yes, that you're using a public computer, you're going to have to reauthorize at about every hour. This is a security option that they put in place for people that use library computers, which are used by everybody, or if you go to an internet cafe, or if you're at your friend's house and you happen to jump on their computer. This is a good thing because you don't want people jumping on your computer after you've been on and have the ability to access your SFI office. So that's what that is. After you've done that, if you choose no because you're using this on your own devices, you're using it on your handheld or your notebook or your desktop computer, then you'll get right to the screen that you're seeing now. So that's a piece of the log on that you'll do. Your top point will show you how many points you have above the green line. This E365 that's for a whole year. You will want to be above the green line every time you log in, because this qualifies you for special drawings at the end of your first year. You also have different rounds that you go through too, like for the first month, a couple months later and such. You can jump over to Hotspot E365, and this will explain everything. It's an entrepreneur challenge. And you will be in a class of everyone else that's registered, signed up on the same day you did. Now, when I joined this the last time before I dropped out, I won for my class. I was number one. I got a nice little plaque. And I can't remember what else. But anyway, this way you can see 5,409 people signed up the same day I did. Only 1,000 of us are still in contention. Some of these people here came in through the co-op, or they just clicked on something, signed up, looked through it, and decided not to do anything with it, so they dropped out. That's the East 365. So that's what this is about. As you're going down through here, what I want you to do your first day is don't bother with anything in this blue. Don't confuse yourself. Don't go clicking around all over the place, or you're going to be sitting there so confused you're not going to know what to do. Keep this in mind. It is not difficult. It's not complicated, as long as you take it a step at a time. So don't be clicking on, hey, new affiliate, not sure to get started here, da 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 da. Don't worry about any of this stuff here. All right? Don't worry about any of this stuff here. What I want you to do on day one is go to your to-do list. Now, also, these links will be red, and they will stay red until you click on them. So you're going to go to your to-do list. As a brand new member, the only thing I want you to do is review the Launchpad lesson number 1. I'm on number 6. Do not go to the launch pad and do all 30 all at once. You're going to mess yourself up. One at a time. So you'll go to your launch pad lesson. Now, like I said, I did number 1. When you go down to the bottom, there will be a little mini quiz here. What that little mini quiz is, it asks you a question that was discussed in the copy. It's discussed in the article. Once you answer it, you'll get your 15 points, and then it'll look like this. For correctly answering today's quiz, you've earned 15 points. Don't click anywhere else. Each of these little things is going to have clickable links. Don't touch them. I don't want you to get confused. So just do the launch pad and go, okay, I did my launch pad. Close the window. Now, getting started actions. There's a list of actions here. They're not going to be, as soon as you complete it, it'll go away, so you won't be able to see them. So I'm going to have to take you in through the Versa points. But ignore where I'm taking you right now if you can. You want to do your getting started actions. These are the actions you want to do immediately. Within your first 24 hours, I want you to do your getting started actions. All of them, if you can. So let's skip down and let's just deal with this. Getting started. Don't worry about your fast track points. You will get those after you have earned your first 500 points. So you're going to confirm your registration. So you're going to click on that link, and I've already confirmed mine, so I don't have to do anything. But confirming your registration, you will get an email that you click on, and it confirms your registration. Whitelisting SFI's email. Here's the instructions on how to. What that means is you are allowing SFI to send you email, and it's not going to go into your spam or junk file or trash right away. You will actually see it. You will have listings here for the main SFI. You'll have listings for your sponsor. So if you sign up under me, my name and email will be in here. If you've been assigned a co-sponsor, their name and email will be in here, and then your entire upline. This takes you through doing it with Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Hotmail, AOL, Comcast, Rediff, and more. It says more issues. Pretty much Comcast, a lot of people just use Gmail today. If you have a problem adding the whitelist, then check with your sponsor or go into the forum. Okay? Now, going back here, complete your affiliate profile. Your affiliate profile is just general questions. Answer the questions. This helps your sponsor know how to help you. So check the different things. Your business strategy. All right, just answer all the questions, set your goals. You can upload images if you want of things. I think I uploaded my house, I'm not sure, a picture of my house, different permissions, and then click Save the Profile. After you complete your profile, go to registering as an A to A member. A to A is affiliate to affiliate or associate to associate. This is important. Before you can register, you have to upload your photo. Make sure it's a picture of you. You can have you and your child if you want or whatever, but the biggest thing is make sure it's a nice picture of you. You can also use A to A to find other people, which you can do later on. Okay? A lot of times people will find you. Now, we are going to, send your commitment message to your sponsor. What this tells your sponsor is, I'm working this program, I want to be successful, and anything you can do to help me, please do. It also gives you questions if you want your sponsor to contact you now. Are you ready to support affiliates? I wouldn't do that right away. You need time to learn the business yourself. Like I mentioned in the first video, I wouldn't sign up for the co-op right away. And then it asks you, how do you like SFI so far? And then a brief message if you want to include any kind of a personal comment to your sponsor. Be sure to click that and submit. And now we're going to go on to video 2 and start with the getting started frequently asked questions.